I'm back again. Hello friends, today I'm back with another video. I'm gonna show you how to make a fish burger at home. It's fast, delicious and easy recipe. Let's start and I'm gonna show you what we need for that. We need a fish. This is a fish I bought it from the store. It's called Besa fish masala. Okay, I'm gonna use the fillet fish, but you're gonna use any fish you like. This is fillet fish. For that we need the fish masala, fried fish masala. This is a spring mix. I'm gonna use spring mix, but you can use lettuce or any kind of veggie you like. And this is cucumber, tomatoes, and also this sauce I'm gonna use on the top of the fish. It's called tzatziki sauce, and this is the bun I use. I'm cutting the fish in 3 pieces that it can fit it in a bun, and it's easier with the Caesar.
The Caesar?
Oh, now I'm gonna season the fish. I have to take the masala. If you want like less spicy, you can use it less, but I'm gonna use it more. But it's up to you. As you can see, I marinated my fish with the masala, like to cover all the fish. So, but if you don't like it too much spicy, you can use less masala. When you marinate the fish, you leave it for a few hours. Or you can leave it overnight, but at least you can leave it for 1 hour. I marinate my fish, I leave it for a few hours. Now I'm gonna start cooking. Okay, I'm gonna use canola oil. Any oil you can use, like vegetable oil or canola, but I've used canola oil. I'm gonna use the canola oil. It's half a cup of oil. We have to start fry the fish. I chopped the cucumber. I'm gonna put it in my tzatziki sauce. This is optional. I like it, so I'll use it. If you want it, you can do that too. Now the fish is ready. It's completely done. So I'm gonna make the burger. When you're frying the fish, you're gonna put them on medium heat. So until it's getting gold brown, like maybe each side is 4 minutes, and it will be done. Now I'm going to show you how I like to make my burger. I added tzatziki sauce on a bun. Now I'm gonna put my spring mix. Now we're gonna put the piece of fish. And now we're gonna put more tzatziki sauce on that. Now I'm gonna put some tomato on top. And some cucumber. And some spring mix. It's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watching.
No, smile a bit. What the hell is that?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and also you can follow me on Instagram. See you till next video. Hello friends.
Okay, down Hati. You're not Shah Rukh Khan.
Hello friends, today I'm back with another video. I'm gonna cook you. This is a fresh fish. I'm gonna cut it in pieces, 3 pieces. Each piece I'm gonna make.
Ow!